Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Mauve Gradient with swirly filigree hearts for Valentine's Day. If you like nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using today are from Zoya. The darkest mauve is called Terra. The medium is called Margot. And the lightest is Live, which I'll also be using as the base color. And I'll be blending an even lighter shade by including Purity in the gradient. After I do my base color, I'm going to protect around my nails using Simply Peel. Once the Simply Peel is dry, I'm going to go ahead and load up my sponge. As I mentioned, the white is going to be blending into a very light mauve by blending with the colors on the sponge and by blending with the base color on my nails. We're going to add in the other three colors. And you'll just want to adjust how large of a gradient you make depending on how long your nails are. I picked the side of the sponge that's closest to the size of my nails. And we're just going to go on and start sponging. For the hearts, I'm going to be using Zoya Valerie. I've got a small lid here that I'm going to use to put just a little bit of polish out, like a little paint palette. I've also got a little small brush. Then I'm going to go ahead, and I did a couple tests for this, kind of doing a lopsided heart with some like filigree curls to it. I'm actually going to start the curl down here in the bottom. And I'm trying to use a light touch, and I'll go back over if I need to. Draw it up, over, and around like this. Up into a heart like this. And then I'm going to fill in on the other side like this. And have that swoop around and add in another little curl. It's a little bit difficult to see. Be a little bit easier probably on my other nails. we decided that this manicure needed a little bit of sparkle. So I'm actually going to add a coat of China Glaze Fairy Dust to the whole thing. Finally, we're going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'd had these colors out to use together for quite some time, so I'm really glad that I finally got around to using them, and I'm pretty pleased with how this manicure turned out. Had a couple other ideas for what to do on top of this gradient, and I'm not quite sure I'm ready to let those go, so you may see this color combination appear again with something other than the hearts on top. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.